Okay guys, it's Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I'm excited to see you today. Today I'm giving you guys another recipe. This is an awesome recipe. I'm so excited to give you this recipe. We'll be using this AFI Fragrance Buddy laundry detergent base. Yes. Guys, if you want any of my recipes written in PDF format, if you want the recipes that's not on here, you want my vendors, you need to go click the link in the description box and it will take you straight to my Patreon where all of my candle making, skincare, just so many recipes, y'all. Just go ahead and check it out, all right? First thing first, you're going to go ahead and get you a mixing container. You want to get a spatula, you want to get your scale, and you want to go ahead and start pouring your base into your container. Now, when it comes down to the base, guys, you don't put any water into it. You don't put anything into the base but fragrance, okay? If I was you, I would buy a whole lot at one time, because if you buy a little bottle, it's not going to really give you, too much product. One bottle they sell on there is about 16 ounces, and people don't want to buy like a little tiny bottle of laundry soap. You got to think about it. When you go to the store, do you buy 16 ounces? Of course not. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and add your fragrance. Now, with this particular base, you are supposed to use up to 3 ounces. I've tested it, and you can use a little bit more than 3 ounces, but it's not recommended. The most I suggest you put inside this base is 5%, okay, guys? Now, when it comes down to the fragrance, you want to make sure that you use a very strong fragrance. I do have a lot of fragrance suggestions I put inside my Patreon, so if you guys want some fragrance suggestions, you're more than welcome to come and join us and get some from me. So just go ahead and just keep stirring. Make sure you fully combine it before you pour it into your container. Now, no containers that I use, those amber glass bottles that I used, I ended up giving that deal out in my Patreon a few weeks ago, and I think we got those bottles for like 50 cents a piece. If you are missing out on the party in the Patreon, baby, I don't know what you're waiting for. All right, now the base does stay cloudy, and I know that's going to make a lot of people upset because they love clarity. I love clarity, you love clarity, but you're not going to get clarity, okay? So it is a cloudy base, and when you put fragrance oil in it, it can get even cloudier. It just depends on the type of fragrance oil. So for me, I used a lemon sugar fragrance oil. It's pretty strong, and I knew it would get cloudy because I just had that experience before making my own laundry soap base. Now, liquid laundry soap is very popular. You do see a lot of people starting to sell it more and more, especially on TikTok. It went viral on TikTok, and people love it because it's very customizable. You can put luxury scents in it, and a lot of people would love to wash their clothes with a Gucci, a Louis, the scents that we can get and use, and you don't have to worry about, seeing on the shelf in the store. Also, you use mild ingredients. These are coconut-based ingredients made from mild surfactants, so gentle that you can use on a little infant, okay? You don't have to worry about the family breaking out from it or anything like that. I know each and every ingredient inside of this laundry soap. These ingredients I've worked with just in other products, okay? So that's it, guys. It's not really hard to make. When it came down to the label, you have to take the label ingredients that is actually listed on the website, and you have to take that and you have to copy that and paste that onto your label, because people need to know exactly what is going into the product. And the next thing you need to do is you need to let people know that you use fragrance, because that will not be listed on that label, okay? Now, as far as this laundry soap, how good does it work? It works pretty good. The only problem you're going to have is it's not really strong. So you won't smell it really strong in your clothes. So because of that, it's good if you offer a fabric softener. I actually make a fabric softener, and it's pretty good, and it's in the Patreon. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pour this into the container. Now, the last question, I know you guys are going to ask this question, do you need a preservative? No, they have already put a preservative into the base, so it's just like using room spray base. You don't need a preservative. So you're going to go ahead and fill up your container all the way up to the top. You're going to put a label on the front, and you're going to go ahead and sell it, and let me know how it turned out. Well, anyway, guys, I am finished. Anyway, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Love the videos, and talk to me in the comment section. I will see you guys again for the next video. All right.